Hi guys, we received this LED UFO height by light for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. Let's take it out of the box. And here we've got the hook and the chain. We've got in here the operation manual. This UFO height by light is waterproof, so it can be installed on the outside, and well, it's very bad. Okay, so let's put on the hook. As you can see, it has this cooling pattern that helps to dissipate the heat, which is nice, so it doesn't overheat and stop working. I'm gonna hang it up on the roofing here. Okay, so you can see now I've had it already installed, and it's very bright. It's perfect to put on your warehouse, on the outside of your house, wherever you want to put it. That you need some very bright light. It's perfect. You can see clearly everything despite being all dark, which is something really nice. And I would really recommend that. As you can see, it's easy to hang it up and easy to connect it, which is really nice, very practical, and a great option for your house, your warehouse, whatever you want to put it. See ya.